The office building of the Millennium Center in Budapest, Hungary. I have to check the address later. Hopefully all the floors are open here, but probably not. At least it has a key card. Only 3 floors are open here. The 1987 B9NE1831. Temperaturen 8 kilograms. Inspected by the student, maintained by the son and hopefully I can get the antenna one here. I'm sorry because it's at 7th floor now. It may be hard to get it now, but I can wait. But hopefully it's coming down soon. Same elevator went here, but hopefully somebody's using the elevator one. Very annoying. It's still going up. Okay, I will pause the video and finally the left one. The 1997 B9NE1832. Temperature 800 kilograms, inspected by the student, maintained by Otis, so now describe this. Basement 3. That's